Hi friends, in this video I will show you how you can record the screen of your iPhone. So go to the top right. Pull down to get into your control center. If you don't see your screen recording icon here, you will simply need to go into your settings. What you want to do is touch on Control Center. Under the included controls of your control center, you should see Screen Recording. If you don't see Screen Recording, the little green plus mark, then scroll down and tap on plus icon to add Screen Recording into your included controls. Now you can swipe that again and there is your screen recording icon. If you touch it, it will give you a 3-second countdown and then your screen will start automatically recording. You can stop it just simply by touching on it again. It will save it to a file. If you want to add audio, all you need to do is to press and hold and turn on your microphone, and you'll be able to screen record with audio. So in this way you can turn on screen recording on iPhone. I hope you will find this video helpful. Thanks for watching.